Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check the description box below for a link to our free resources and parent-friendly early literacy hub.
Beginning sounds A through E. Listen for the sound A at the beginning of each word. Astronaut, apple, atom, asteroid, alligator, acrobat, atom, A. Listen for the sound B at the beginning of each word. Ball, bear, book, bat, bird, bike, B. Listen for the sound K at the beginning of each word. Cat, car, camel, cow, cake, carrot, C. K. Listen for the sound D at the beginning of each word. Dog, dolphin, dinosaur, duck, deer, donkey. Listen for the sound E at the beginning of each word. Echo, Ed, Edna, edge, elephant, E. Time for a quiz. Choose the picture that begins with the sound A. Donkey, apple, dog. That's right, apple. Choose the picture that begins with the sound B. Cat, edge, bear. That's right, bear. Choose the picture that begins with the sound K. Astronaut, cake, dolphin. Good job, cake. Choose the picture that begins with the sound D. Dinosaur, elephant, car. That's right, dinosaur. Choose the picture that begins with the sound E. Ed, bat, atom. Good job, Ed. Beginning sounds F through J. Listen for the sound F at the beginning of each word. Fish, fan, fire, feet, 5, firefly, F. Listen for the sound G at the beginning of each word. Goat, goose, gas, gum, guitar, game, G, G. Listen for the sound beginning of each word. Hedgehog, hat, horse, hippo, house, hay, H. Listen for the sound I at the beginning of each word. Itch, iguana, igloo, I. Listen for the sound J at the beginning of each word. Jump, jam, jeans, jaguar, jelly beans, juice, J. Quiz time. Choose the picture that begins with the sound F. Jelly beans, fish, igloo. That's right, fish. Choose the picture that begins with the sound G. Iguana, hay, goat. Good job, goat. Choose the picture that begins with the sound fan, hedgehog, jump. That's right, hedgehog. Choose the picture that begins with the sound I. Itch, hippo, guitar. Good job, itch. Choose the picture that begins with the sound J. Juice, game, firefly. That's right, juice. Beginning sounds K through O. Listen for the sound K at the beginning of each word. Kite, key, kids, king, kangaroo, kayak, K. Listen for the sound O at the beginning of each word. Lamb, lion, lemon, lamp, ladybug, ladder, L-O. Listen for the sound at the beginning of each word. Mouse, moose, monkey, mermaid, muffin, music, Listen for the sound at the beginning of each word. Nest, noodles, nail, 9, needle, night, N. Listen for the sound at the beginning of each word. Octopus, octagon, olives, ox, otter, October, Time for a quiz. Circle the picture that begins with the sound K. 9, kite, octagon. Good job, kite. Circle the picture that begins with the sound O. Mermaid, otter, lion. That's right, lion. Circle the picture that begins with the sound Kangaroo, monkey, noodles. Good job, monkey. Circle the picture that begins with the sound night, octopus, octagon. Good job, night. Circle the picture that begins with the sound olives, nest, ladybug. That's right, olives. Beginning sounds P through T. Listen for the sound at the beginning of each word. Pizza, popcorn, penguin, pig, pot, pumpkin, P. Listen for the sound Q at the beginning of each word. Quail, quilt, quarter, question, quiet, queen, Q. Listen for the sound R at the beginning of each word. Rabbit, robot, rose, rain, red, rat, R. Listen for the sound S at the beginning of each word. Sun, soup, sandals, socks, sand, seed, S. Listen for the sound T at the beginning of each word. Turtle, teapot, tent, top, tiger, 10, T. Now it's time for a quiz. Circle the picture that begins with the sound P. 10, popcorn, socks. That's right, popcorn. Circle the picture that begins with the sound Q. Sandals, turtle, quail. That's right, quail. Circle the picture that begins with the sound R. Quiet, robot, penguin. Good job, robot. Circle the picture that begins with the sound S. Sun, tiger, pizza. That's right, sun. Circle the picture that begins with the sound T. Top, seed, rabbit. Good job, top. Beginning sounds U, V, W, Y, and Z. Listen for the sound at the beginning of these words. Upside down, upstairs, upset, up. Listen for the sound at the beginning of these words. Vest, violin, vase, van, vet, vegetables, Listen for the sound at the beginning of these words. Watermelon, wagon, web, worm, wind, well, Listen for the sound at the beginning of these words. Yarn, yak, yellow, yard, yell, yo-yo, Listen for the sound Z at the beginning of these words. Zebra, zipper, zigzag, zoo, zero, zombie, Z. Let's take a quiz. Circle the picture that begins with the sound Zero, upside down, vest. That's right, upside down. Circle the picture that begins with the sound V. Upset, worm, violin. Good job, violin. Circle the picture that begins with the sound W. Zombie, whale, zebra. That's right, whale. Circle the picture that begins with the sound Y. Yellow, watermelon, van. That's right, yellow. Circle the picture that begins with the sound Z. Zipper, vet, yak. Good job, zipper.